नमस्कार, वेलकम टू ओपीएससी ओएस ए टू जेड। सो 2017 ओपीएससी ओएस प्रिलिमिनारी क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 रो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जाए आम लास्ट दुईटी वीडियो कवर कर सारी जो मैंने भी देखी ना प्लेलिस्ट को जाकि देखी नियंतु। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। हु अमंग दीज वाज नेवर इलेक्टेड टू द प्रेसिडेंटशिप ऑफ आईएनसी और इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? ऑप्शंस आर जॉर्ज वुल, अल्फ्रेड वेव, खान अब्दुल Ghaffar Khan, Nawab Said. Its correct answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was never elected to the presidency of Indian National Congress. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is also known as your Frontier Gandhi. He organized a society called Khudai Khidmatkar or Servants of God. This is also known as Red Shirt. He participated in the Dandi March in 1930. George Wool was the president of INC in 1988 of Allahabad session. Alfred Wave was the president of Madras session of Indian National Congress in 1894. Nawab Said was the president of Karachi session of INC. Next question को जिबा, which among the following places was set up as Vedanta centers when Swami Vivekananda visited USA in 1899? Options are Chicago, New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles. Its correct answer is New York and San Francisco. So option B is your right answer. Swami Vivekananda during his first visit to the West traveled to UK twice in 1895 and 1896. He met Max Muller in 1896. He founded the Vedanta Society in New York in 1894. In his second visit to West from 1899 to 1902, he founded Santi Ashram in California, Vedanta societies in the San Francisco and New York. Next question को जिबा, question number 23. Who moved and withdrew a resolution for the enfranchisement of women in 1917 session of Indian National Congress? Options are Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay and Aruna Astafalli. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is also known as first Indian female president of Indian National Congress. She was the president of Indian National Congress in 1925 Kanpur session. Next come to Annie Besant. She is known as the first female president of Indian National Congress. She was president in 1917 of Calcutta session of Indian National Congress. Do remember that Annie Besant is known as the first female president of Indian National Congress and Sarojini Naidu is known as first Indian female president of Indian National Congress. So next question को जिबा, question number 24. V.D. Savarkar authored the book. Options are 1857, The Sepoy Mutiny, The Indian War of Independence and Rebellion of Indian Mutinies. Its correct answer is option C, The Indian War of Independence. Mostly Indian War of Independence आपणकर रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 को लेकिन बुकटी लिखा जाए. द बुक वाज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द हिस्ट्रीज ऑफ द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन एंड अमेरिकन रेवोल्यूशन. Savarkar formed a group called Mitra Mela, which is later named as Abhinav Bharat Samiti in 1904. He was the president of Hindu Mahasabha. So next question को जिबा, question number 25 को, which of the following peasant movements is not properly matched with the state in which it was launched? Mofla rebellion was launched in Kerala. Yes, this is right. Pabna agrarian movement was launched in West Bengal, not in Maharashtra. So this is wrong. Kisan Sabha and Ekta Unity movement was launched in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, this is also right. Bardoli Satyagraha was launched in Gujarat. This is also right. So option B is your wrong answer. So option B is the correct answer here. So 26 question को जिबा, हाँ गोटे ओडिशा रिलेटेड रेवेलियन मन रखु. पाइक रेवेलियन आपंकर ओडिशा रे होता 1817 ओडिशारू सेटा लॉन्च होता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 को जिबा, हु फाउंडेड द सत्यवादी स्कूल विथ नेशनलिस्ट स्पिरिट इन ओडिशा? ऑप्शंस आर आचार्य हरिहर, मधुसूदन राव, गोपबंधु दास एंड कृपा सिंधु मिश्र. द करेक्ट आंसर इज गोपबंधु दास. ही इज ऑल्सो नोन एज उत्कल मणि. He founded Satyavadi Varna Vidyalaya or Satyavadi School in 1909. This school do not discriminate on caste and religion. It was inspired by the Deccan Education Society and is inspired in the Gurukul tradition. So next question to jiba, question number 27. Who among these was not a member of the cabinet mission? A.B. Alexander, Archibald Wavell, Stafford Cripps and Patrick Lawrence. The correct answer is Archibald Wavell was not a member of cabinet mission. Rest A.B. Alexander, Stafford Cripps and Patrick Lawrence were the members of cabinet mission. Cabinet mission came into India in 1946 under the chairmanship of Patrick Lawrence. Lord Patrick Lawrence ଥିଲେ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट फॉर इंडिया एंड स्टाफोर्ड क्रिप्स आपनकर प्रेसिडेंट फॉर द बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रेड थिले एंड एबी अलेक्जेंडर फर्स्ट लॉर्ड थिले एंड इट वाज अनाउंस्ड बाय पीएम और प्राइम मिनिस्टर एटली. So next question को जाएगा question number 28 को the greatest crisis that Akbar faced in 1580 to 81 was when Salim revolted. No, the disgruntled nobles and officers declared Akbar's half brother Mirza Hakim as their ruler. Yes, this is the correct answer. Option B is your correct answer. Question number 29 को जिबा, which of the following rock types the quartzite is related to? Igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rocks and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, metamorphic rocks. Quartzite is formed from the quartz sandstone and through metamorphic process, so this is a metamorphic rock. Question number 30 को जिबा, which of the following towns of India is located on the Tropic of Cancer? Options are Bhuj, Bhopal, Gandhinagar and Banswada. its correct answer is Bhopal. Bhopal आपनकर Tropic of Cancer देखी जाउची. Tropic of Cancer only 23 half degree रे आपनकर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर देखा जाए. टोटल आपनकर 8 स्टेट्स आपनकर कवर करे ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर देखी जाउछंती. दोज आर गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, त्रिपुरा एंड मिजोरम. Mahir river crosses twice the Tropic of Cancer. Do remember, Mahir river crosses twice Tropic of Cancer. Major cities located near Tropic of Cancer are गुजरात आपनकर जमती अहमदाबाद है, मध्य प्रदेश जबलपुर, भोपाल, उज्जैन, वेस्ट बंगाल कृष्णानगर, हुगली, झारखंड रांची, त्रिपुरा उदयपुर, मिजोरम चंपाफाई, छत्तीसगढ़ सोनहाट. यही सब आपनकर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर देखी जाऊे. सो थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो कवर करवा.